Just like the popularity of mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers, where switch type, build quality, layout, and value are key, wireless meat thermometers are becoming a must-have for grillers, smokers, and home chefs. These devices give.
List 1. The ThermoPro TP829
is a powerhouse for serious grillers and smokers, boasting an impressive 1,000-foot range that ensures you can monitor your cook from anywhere in your home. Featuring 4 color-coded probes, it allows you to track multiple meats or cooking zones simultaneously. The large backlit LCD display shows real-time temperatures, while preset USDA-approved settings take the guesswork out of cooking beef, poultry, or pork. Its robust signal strength makes it ideal for large backyards or commercial kitchens. The receiver alerts you when your target temperature is reached, and the unit's durability ensures it stands up to heat, smoke, and outdoor conditions. For pitmasters or barbecue enthusiasts who demand reliability and maximum range, the TP829 is a professional-grade solution that delivers consistent results for grilling, smoking, and oven cooking.
List number.
The ThermoPro Bluetooth meat thermometer offers a strong 650-foot range, making it a great choice for home cooks and weekend grillers. With 2 stainless steel probes, it lets you monitor 2 different meats or a meat and ambient grill temperature simultaneously. The free smartphone app provides real-time alerts, graphs, and cooking history, giving you complete control at your fingertips. The probes withstand up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for both low and slow smoking or high heat searing. The magnetic back keeps the transmitter securely attached to your grill or smoker, and the easy-to-use interface ensures even beginners can get precise results. Its blend of solid range, app integration, and dual probe capability makes it a reliable tool for cooks who want accuracy without constant babysitting. List number 3. This 500-foot wireless meat thermometer strikes a great balance between range and portability. Its sleek wireless probe design means no tangled cords, and it connects easily to your phone for temperature monitoring. The device features preset temperatures for various meats, along with customizable settings for your preferred doneness levels. Built to handle the high heat of grilling and the low, steady temperatures of smoking. It's versatile enough for all cooking styles. The real-time alerts help prevent overcooking, and the battery life supports long smoking sessions. The minimalist probe design also makes cleanup easy. Just rinse and store. If you're looking for a modern, cord-free thermometer that delivers consistent performance, this model is a smart pick for tech-savvy grillers.
List number.
The ThermoPro TP19H is a compact, instant-read thermometer that delivers precision in just 2 to 3 seconds. While not a long-range wireless model, it's the perfect companion for quick spot checks when grilling, searing, or smoking. The 180-degree rotating probe and auto-rotating backlit display make it comfortable for both right and left-handed users. IP65 waterproofing ensures it stands up to splashes and grease, and the motion-sensing sleep-wake function saves battery life. Its magnetic back lets you keep it handy on your grill or fridge. For cooks who want instant feedback alongside their wireless monitoring setup, the TP19H is an essential tool. List 5. The Alpha Griller's Instant Read Meat Thermometer is designed for speed and simplicity. Providing accurate readings in 2 to 3 seconds, it's perfect for checking steaks, burgers, or chicken without losing heat from your grill or oven. The foldable probe ensures safe storage, and the backlit display is easy to read even in low light. Waterproof construction allows for easy cleaning after messy barbecue sessions. While it's not a remote thermometer, it's an affordable, dependable backup for any griller. The ergonomic handle and straightforward operation make it user-friendly for beginners and pros alike. If you value speed, precision, and durability, this thermometer deserves a spot in your barbecue toolkit.